Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing yet another ranking of my Temu purchases. So this is the products that were in my mini Temu haul. So this haul wasn't as big. We have a total of 6 products in today's video, but I still wanted to rank them for you guys. So if you want to see how these products worked out for me, you guys already saw my full face. You guys saw my haul video, so you guys have an idea of what product should be at number 1 and what product was a flop. So yeah, it was a little difficult because a lot of these products are so good, but I still rank them for you guys, and we do have some reviews on these products today. So if you want to see my thoughts on them, you want to see how these products ended up working out for me, just keep on watching. At number 6, we have the Pop Feel Lips product. So this is a lipstick from the Temu website, and I don't know what the actual shade is, but this is a alleged dupe of the ColourPop Lippy pencils. So this is basically a red shade, and it's really nice. It's really pigmented as well. I really love how fast it goes on. It's just a really pretty color, right? But the formula is just a little drying, and funny enough, I think the ColourPop formula was also like that for me. I did own a lippy pencil before, and it just had the most strong, non-pleasant smell to it, so I had a toss. But yeah, so I was like, okay, let me try this out. You know, it's a dupe, it's not gonna be the same formula, but this is so drying. It's just so beautiful and pigmented, but it's very drying on the lips, so I'll definitely have to keep trying it. Again, I'm gonna update you guys in future videos always on these products, but so far I'm like, that's why it ranked at the bottom of this video. At number 5, we have the concealer. So if you guys saw my full face trying all these products, I also tried out a bunch of other new products in my collection. At the end of that video, girl, like everything looked okay. You guys know that the powder kind of messed me up as well, but I feel like this, it just looked girl, at the end of the day, my under eyes just looked so bad. So I don't know if it was the powder, just because I messed up and I used that powder on my under eyes and it just kind of ruined everything, or was it this product here? So I'll definitely have to keep trying it, but so far it's kind of ranking a little lower just because, you know, the formula is really nice, and again, there's other products that just worked better. So when you're ranking this amount of products, it's kind of hard because they're all like kind of good, and you know, there's not anything that's too terrible. But I mean, this is cute. It's a nice color for me. I think I would have gotten one shade deeper, but it's a nice formula. It's highly pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way with this product. And I don't know, I just have to keep trying it and see if it's my favorite, if I'm going to keep using it, because so far I'm kind of like, I'm kind of traumatized from that video, and my under eyes just look so horrible at the end of that day. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying it. We'll see my thoughts in future videos. At number 4, surprisingly, this one ranked a little higher. This one's really nice. This is the Kanya Babe Skin Pore Eraser Primer. So if you guys know, you guys watched that full face video, I did mention that this kind of lightened my skin. I think I had overdone it. A little bit goes a long way with this product as well. It is more on the creamy side. It's like a beige kind of color. It is not silicone at all. It blends into the skin really nicely and effortlessly. So this I am really enjoying. Again, with this amount of products, it's kind of hard because it sounds like not great, but it's actually a really good primer. So I'm excited to keep trying this and see my future thoughts on this, but so far so good with the Babe Skin Primer. Next, we have the Pop Feel Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. This is so cute. Now, it is smaller than I thought. If you guys saw my last video, my haul video, yeah, it's like super tiny, but this is literally like $1 and change, so you know, not too bad. I really love the color. It is a really beautiful coverage, and it definitely gives you some hydration. So if you have dry skin, you should try this out. It is really nice, and I really like the color for me. I got the one in P202/3. It just is a perfect shade for me, and I was really surprised because a lot of foundations and concealer products do run lighter on Temu, so I really was impressed by this, and it actually wore really nicely. Despite that powder ruining my under eyes, the rest of my face looked really good at the end of the day. And number 2, we have the lip gloss. So this is the Beauty Glaze Lip Oil Glow, and this one again is in the shade 101 Meat, and it's just so cute. It's clear. It's a cute little vibe. I am so glad that I picked up the clear one and not a colored gloss. I honestly don't need any more colored glosses, so I was like, yes girl. And the doe foot applicator is perfect. I just love these. These are so nice and comfortable on the lips as well. Actual formula is really nice. It's not like super thin, but it's also not super thick. So it's a nice little medium, and it's just so good and comfortable on the lips. It's not stringy at all. I had no problems when I used this, so it's really nice, and that's why I ranked at number 2. And number 1, we have the eyeshadow palette that I used in my video. This is a girl, this name, Muge Lean palette. So it looks like so. It is in a legit ColourPop dupe. They came out with a, I think it was like So Hollywood collection or something, and the palette kind of looks like this. So this is how it looks. One of the shades did come broken, which is kind of sad, but I really love the formula in here, and I love the color selection as well. I love how the look that I created with this palette came out, and it's just so cute, super easy to use, perfect for every day for me. I just love reaching for this. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and that's why I ranked at number 1. So those were all the products that I wanted to rank for you guys today. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you tried any of these products from Temu? All of these products are always in the description box below. I also do have a playlist for my Temu videos as well. It's always linked down in the description box. So again, everything else is linked if you want to shop on Temu. It's not affiliated. This video is not sponsored. None of my videos so far are sponsored from Temu. Who knows in the future, girl? Let's put out those good vibes out there. But yeah, so far none of my videos from Temu are sponsored, so don't fret. I'm always giving you guys my genuine opinions on these products, and that is everything. Let me know again your comments, concerns, anything in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and again, see you in the next upload. Bye.